Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we're gonna see how to install Teamviewer on Linux Mint 18.3. Teamviewer is an open source application to connect to any remote desktop around the world. Teamviewer is a remote access application that grants you access to other computers and allows you to work on it. It is widely used to do remote control desktop sharing, online meetings, web conferencing, and also sometimes file transfer between computers. It is also possible to access a machine running Teamviewer with a web browser. This tutorial covers the installation of Teamviewer on Linux Mint 18.3. So let's proceed with the installation. First we need to install GDB installer. It is a Debian package installer, and run the following command to install GDB installer. So it says it is already updated to the newest version, so do not make any changes. And then next we have to download the Teamviewer on the target system by executing the wget command. Now the package has been downloaded. Next step will be installing it using a gdb command. Now just press Y. Now if you see here, TeamViewer has been installed and you can access it from the menu. Go and search for TeamViewer and here there you can find that. Just press enter to open. A wizard will open and first you have to accept the license agreement. Just press here. So if you see here, this is a usage wizard, and if you see here, this is your ID and you can share it for the connection to this computer. And if you are in a remote control mode, switch to the meeting mode here, and then here you can enter the remote computer's ID to control it, and you can always access your computer, connect easily without remembering password from the site control panel, which is presented here. Just close this and you will find it here. So first you have to sign up and then make use of TeamViewer. So this is how you install and use TeamViewer on Linux Mint 18.3 version. I hope this tutorial helps you. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorials visit www.linuxhelp.com. Mail us to support@linuxhelp.com for any queries.